Good day to you all. It's your boy Noel here. I took London session trade and New York session trade on my live account today. Today is the last trading day for my live account, my baby live account or whatever that is, my cent account. I took a short today. I was going to sell there, but as seen, price failed to. It came pretty close to my sell, so it gave me a missed sell entry at first. I came to my trading terminal, which was actually misbehaving. I don't understand why it was misbehaving. So I had to just, I think at the end of the day, I had to just sell like that. Yeah, right there. I sold it like that. So here it was now showing. So I placed my stop loss properly then, which was about 10 cents, targeting 4 is to reward. Okay, 5 is to reward. It's London session. Looking to sell short to reach for sell side. Price was above the midnight opening for today, not this midnight open here that it is below is the Tuesday midnight open. The one I'm talking about is today's midnight open. Today Wednesday midnight open. Over 1 risk to reward up on the trade at this point in time. So looking to take first partial at that low there. The macro, so the price started spooling at this point. I think it's already up 2 risk to reward or so. Yeah, I think so. It's already up about 2 risk to reward in profit. A good place to scale profit up, particularly as a new trader. 2 risk to reward is okay to take partial, it's not bad. Or to even collapse a trade, 2 risk to reward is enough to make someone rich if you're consistent with it. So I drew out the FVG. Worst case scenario, it comes to that FVG and drops down. That was what I was thinking. But I want to see FVG treated as a breakaway gap, a bearish breakaway gap. That confirms strong bearish signature for me. This market was kind of sluggish at this point. It was just being all weird. I didn't even notice there is a breakaway gap. Did I? Okay, I think I noticed it. Yeah, I noticed it. There's an FVG created. Price just inversed an FVG. I noticed it real time. My mind was there. But I was like, that inversion FVG will be used to support price to that FVG I drew out where my sell here is. So I was like, this is going to support price back up, and then I'm going to continue selling. Price is going to continue selling from there. That was what I was thinking at this point in time. This price tapping into that inversion FVG right here, and see how it's pulling away from it immediately. That's feedback. That's good feedback.
Èmi àti ẹ̀dẹ̀ làjọ gbàgbé tó bá ń tí mi ti tan eré. Èmi àti ẹ̀dẹ̀ òwe àti ìgbà. Ó lè ti sunkún ó ní òǹkẹ́ àbí títì. Kí lẹ wí?
I pointed it out. I'm not surprised that the inefficiency is being used to support price higher. This be pointing out what I want to see. Right there, I was expecting that to then start sending price lower. That was what I was thinking real time. Look at that reaction right there. Poking the high, that's a good feedback already. This is me pointing it out what was happening. Position was already running on loss at this point in time. And I got stopped out right there. So I mentioned that this is the last trading day. I only take 3 trades. I take 3 trading days per week. Once I trade 3 times, I won't trade the live account again. I'll switch over to demo. So henceforth, I'll be only trading demo. So that is for London session. Ahead is the New York session trading. Let's go over to New York. Let me show you my PNL. As you write, a 10-cent loss. Oh wow. Going into the New York, 9:30 dropped down aggressively, and I had pointed it out before it even happened. Dropping down aggressively, already looking like it's wanting to reach to my target explosively. But the thing with me is patience. I'm not rushing in. If it wants to go without me, it's welcome to go. You can go to my target without me, no problem. That was what I was thinking about at this moment. So I just calmly draw out the FVG. If it taps into it, I sell. And he kept looking like it was going down. I wasn't even minding any of these things it was doing. I was just waiting for it to come back to that FVG, if I'm being honest. That was just what was in my mind. I was like, if he wants to get to the target, it's fine. It's a win. I pointed the target out and he reached for it. So that's also a win. It doesn't have to be that it did exactly what I wanted to see before I call it a win. Exactly. Price came there. My entry, I tried to sell, immediately pulled away. So that was not really offering me a good entry, so I had to leave it. And then I pointed out where I want to sell, where I wanted my stop loss to be. Yeah, right there, stop loss. Once again, it was reaching for my target without me. At this point in time, I was like, oh, it seems it's going to go to my target without me. But if it should come back, because it's a fake SSL breakout at this point, if it should come back to that sell here, I'm going to sell. And I'm going to sell very quickly. So I pointed out that my bowling, that lower quadrant, consequent encroachment, I don't know. That red line is a quadrant level. I think it's a consequent encroachment. Right there. I sold it immediately without hesitating. I sold immediately. This thing whine me small. So it was kind of whining me. Yeah, right there. I just sold it. Immediately I saw it, I sold it. I took the I took the short and sold it, placing my risk at about 17 cents. Again, risk for the New York is no more than 20 cents, targeting 51. I think this was kind of a high resistant liquidity run sell, if I'm being honest, because it kept going back and forth, and it didn't make any sense. So that was price reaching for my target here. It sliced through my target. My target's 1. Reduced my stop loss, reduced my risk. That is me pointing out my PNL. It hit my target right there immediately, giving me $51. So the account is up. The account is up almost $4 now. So I won't be taking any trade till next week. I'm going to allow the profit to sit in. That's all for the New York. Yeah. Touch base with you all. Peace.